We were starting out just this semester with a special project that we wanted to complete. We decided on this one after seeing some other examples on the web.
We've called this project the Sentinel project. We got the idea from the bigger design, and what we have is a Nerf gun that is mounted to several servos. And we've connected these servos through an Arduino microcontroller to an application that can be accessed from anywhere on campus here. And basically somebody can get on their mobile device, their Zoom or their iPad or whatever, and be able to basically control the gun. This is our Sentinel here. We're using the Vulcan EPF25. We have our webcam here mounted on top of it. We have two servos, one running in the base you can't see underneath the gun, and then one that's mounted here on the back to pull the trigger. Then we have this Arduino microcontroller to control the servos. Running our server is this Mac Mini over here. Let's take a look at how it works.
Specifically with the software, we've written everything in the Adobe Flash platform so that it can be transportable out to all of those different application platforms.
There's four things that we needed to worry about. There's the client app, the Red 5 server app, the Flex app that runs on the server, and also the Arduino, everything that runs on the Arduino.
We have the client application, which is what lives on your mobile device that shows the camera feed as well as allows you to control left-right movement and a firing command.
So the client app talks to the server through what are called shared objects, which is just a class in Flex and Flash. There's communication from the Arduino to the Flex app that runs on the server through a port in the socket. And then the server, the Red 5 server we used, streams the video feed from the camera to the client.
Primarily my job was to make sure that the program that we wrote for the web was also transportable to a mobile device. So we're targeting mobile tablets like iPads and the Motorola Zoom and maybe the BlackBerry Playbook. So you'd be able to go onto your app store, either the Google Android store or the iTunes App Store, and download our Sentinel app, connect to the Wi-Fi network inside UVU, and you'll be able to connect to the web camera and the servos that are running the Sentinel itself.
Let's take a look at the software that runs our Sentinel here. So this is the Arduino editor here that's running, all of this is written in C. And then this here is our Flex editor, which we have all of the action script written and for both the Flex client and the Flex on the server.
So my favorite part was building the mobile application side. It's given me a lot more insight into the ways that different applications are put together for different platforms, and I'm excited to be able to use that knowledge in more business-oriented applications.
My favorite part of the project was just all the little successes. As I wrote the C code and got the servos working, and then we got the Flex app to communicate with the camera and stream the camera through the Red 5, and then to have the Flex app control the servos. And just each little thing was real fun for me to be able to code that and to see it come to life.